Hi, Nutty Buddy Nation. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to another vlog. It's windy outside. Miss Charlene and Miss Pauline left me, you guys. I am all alone. So I parked where Miss Pauline was and moved my mat over here. And I still got stuff over there. Still a car over there camping nearby. The sun is out. It's like 3 p.m. I have no idea what I'm eating for dinner. And this is gonna be my last campfire, you guys. Miss Charlene left the wood for me because I was actually gonna stay here for a couple of days. Today is Wednesday. I was going to stay here to possibly Monday because me and Charlene have another trip planned. We are going out of town. We're going out of the state. Right now, I'm in California. I'm in Tacoma, California right now. I think I need my little wind muffify thing on here. Let me go get my little wind muffify thing, you guys. Hold on. So I know what y'all probably saying. What is the wind muffify thing? Anyway, this is my microphone, one of my microphones, and it has the little wind thing on there. So I'm about to put that on, and y'all tell me in the comments if it makes a difference or not. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you guys, so it's working. So let's go outside and see if it makes a difference in the wind. If it's still gonna sound windy to you guys. I went to the hot springs today and I did 2 sessions in the hot springs. And then I've been in a van editing some videos, trying to upload some videos is what I'm doing right now. I had to delete some content off of my phone in order to upload a video. I don't really feel like going walking, but like I said, today is going to be the last day that I am here at the campsite. I was going to stay till Monday, but me and Miss Pauline have to go, me and Miss Charlene have to go to Vegas to take care of some business. And yeah, we have to go to Vegas to take care of some business. So I am gonna have to pack up my campsite and leave early because I was gonna stay till Monday. But now I'm going to have to leave tomorrow, which is Thursday, so we can go take care of some business Friday. And then we're getting ready to do another road trip out of town. So, yeah. So I am going to do me a campfire tonight, and I'm going to do me some s'mores. I might do s'mores in the dark. Who knows? But I'm going to do me some s'mores tonight. And I need to figure out what I'm going to do for dinner. I have everything set up over there because I'm about to film a video. And so, yeah, that's what I'm about to do now. And I'm going to take a picture before the sun sets of the van. And I need to hurry up and film the video. I had my other microphones charging up. So I'm going to go get those off the charger. And then I'll come back and continue this vlog. Fix me some dinner. And do some s'mores tonight on the campfire. And just sit and chit and talk to y'all in the van. So yeah, y'all already know if you don't know, when you are in the desert, even though right now it's a little chilly, but it's not cold, but as soon as the sun drops, it is going to be cold. So yeah, let me get this done and I will see you guys in a few. to put, oh yeah, I got one. Cool. So you guys can okay, so I'm gonna start a fire, y'all. And I need to use the bathroom. This is gonna be my last campfire. My last campfire. This is gonna be my last campfire. And my last night camping. So we got to make it worth our while. I'm gonna do me some marshmallows. So that's what I'm gonna do, y'all. I'm gonna do my campfire. Okay, y'all, I made me 3 s'mores. We got our fire going and it's warm. I'm gonna eat this one first. This one didn't get as hot. I hope that stuff don't pop on me. Burn my butt. Chocolate is melting. It's very windy. Chocolate could have melted a little more. Close to the fire. It's hot. don't know what I'm having for dinner tonight. My chocolate didn't melt enough. I ain't gonna be able to sleep tonight with all these sweets. I'm gonna let this fire burn down, and then I'm gonna decide what I'm going to eat for dinner. That makes you thirsty. That makes you thirsty. And Charlene left me some wine, so I'm gonna drink me some wine, y'all. you guys, the fire is dying out. And I don't know if you guys can see. Can y'all see the stars in the sky? There's one right there. Is another one. Where's the other one? I don't know if y'all can see it. But there's one right there. It's another one somewhere. It's another one right there. I don't know if y'all can see it once I move my hand out the way. But I'm stargazing. Stargazing. So I'm getting ready to go in the van and fix me something to eat. I haven't really had anything to eat today but a patty, a beef patty. I'm just pointing toward the stars in the sky, y'all. Look at that one right there. That is bright. That is really, 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 really bright. Some more stars in the distance. That's the people over there. This park next to me. So I am gonna go in here and get me something to eat. I don't know what's for dinner. Miss Charlene left a salad. So I might do a salad. And my solar is running kind of low because I have my Starlink hooked up trying to upload a video. So I got my solar hooked up. And I'm running this all powers power station. So that's how I have my lights hooked up right now. And I'm going to charge any of my phones up to this. So I will use less of my electricity coming from my solar. So it's always important to have multiple power supplies. Okay, you guys, I am just not getting ready to eat something. I was going to warm up some spaghetti, which I ate that yesterday as well. I was going to warm up some spaghetti, y'all, but they are frozen. Excuse me. So I'm going to eat this salad right here. I'm going to eat this salad. And hopefully that'll be enough to fill me up. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to find something else. I got some liver and onions. I just don't feel like warming up anything right now. So I'm just gonna try to go with the salad. I was trying to upload 2 videos and they are taking too long, and because the sun went down, I can't continue to power my Starlink without it going in the red tonight. So I disconnected my Starlink, and now the video's gonna have to wait till tomorrow. I'll try to upload them tomorrow before I leave. But if not, I'll just leave, because when I leave tomorrow, I'm going to have to go straight to get some gas when I get in town tomorrow. Get some gas and fill up for me and Charlene to go to Vegas. And I guess I need to go to her house and upload these videos and get the footage off my phone, so I could film us going out of town and, yeah, just get myself situated. I'm trying to see if I'm going to bring my e-bike with me to have the company look at it. The company that fixed tires, have them look at it and see if they can fix it for me. So, yeah, I need to get my e-bike fixed. So let me get a fork. I don't know if it just needs air, or did I put a hole in the tire? So I'll have to find it out. So anyway, y'all, thank you, Father God, for this food we're about to receive in Jesus' name. I'm about to eat this salad. It's 6:54 p.m. After I eat, it ain't nothing else I could do. Without my internet. So I'm gonna fix my bed and go to bed. So anyway, I'll see y'all in a little bit.
Say I'm good-hearted, but I'm just getting started. Got my eyes on the target.
Okay, y'all. I'm through eating that whole bag of salad. Hopefully that'll hold me over tonight. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm about to fix my bed and call it a night. That's a cute little rock. Green rock. They had a lot of green rocks where we went looking at. They had some green rocks, some black rocks, some purple rocks, some red rocks. We didn't see that many white rocks. I did find a black and white rock, kind of look like the marble design. I did find a small one out here that I gave to Miss I gave it to Miss Pauline. It was a little cute rock. So I found some things to decorate with. So yeah, I found some things to decorate with. And I'm thinking about some things, y'all. Sometimes when I'm in the middle of a conversation and I don't say nothing to complete the sentence, I'm thinking about some things. I'm still trying to think about what name to name the channel. I think I'm going to leave this channel, Vanessa's Van Life Journey. I might name the other channel rename Vanessa VIPB to something else and do my DIYs and stuff over there. Or I might just open up a whole nother channel, y'all. I am so confused. Like, I have so much within me that it can't be bottled up. And it's not enough channels. 1, 2 channels can't contain it. 3, 4 channels can't contain it, y'all. I'm just I need a whole network. I need my own cable show. That's what I need. So anyway, y'all, I will be back. I'm gonna pick this stuff up off the floor, put my pad down, put my mattress down. I might sweep the floor because I done dropped some lettuce and stuff down here, so I might sweep the floor before I put my pad down and my mattress down. So anyway, that's what I'm about to do now.
Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. I'll never run. Best to give me your loyalty. 'Cause I'm taking the world.
Okay, y'all, that is it for me. I am getting ready to go to bed. I'm gonna put on this little dress, take off these clothes so I can put this back on tomorrow. I got on my little shirt up under here. And I'm gonna actually call it a night so I could get up tomorrow, get up early, pack my stuff up, and go to bed. I mean, pack my stuff up and get out of here. I got some chocolate on this thing right here. It don't look right. I got chocolate right there from the s'mores. But anyway, y'all, that's gonna be it for me today. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Thank y'all for tuning in and watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Sorry we didn't have that much going on today. I enjoyed the fire. I enjoyed my s'mores. I enjoyed my bottle of wine. I still got some wine left up in here. I hope I could sleep tonight. I enjoyed the salad. I didn't eat any meat. Oops. Oh, I forgot. I just found this thing of meat that Miss Charlene had gave me this morning to put in the refrigerator. So I got some breakfast sausage. So I'll probably eat 2 of these right now and put the rest in the refrigerator. And I'm gonna go to bed. I don't know what time I'm gonna get out of here tomorrow. I would love to upload my videos before I leave. But I would love to also leave at a decent hour. If I could leave at like 12, I'll get there at 2. Then I can go to the gas station and get some gas. I might leave at 12. So I might try to upload my videos tomorrow before I leave here. If not, I'll just upload them when I get to Charlene's house. I just want to feel like I accomplished something. Y'all excuse me for talking with food in my mouth. I just want to feel like I accomplished something before I leave. So I hope I can get the videos uploaded. If not, I'll wait till I get to Charlene's house. So anyway, I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye. Thanks for watching.